Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious stuffed Rava Idlis. These idlis have Batata Vada stuffing inside them and these are super soft and spongy. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, take 1 cup of fine rava or Sooji. To that add 1 cup of curd and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Then add 1/4 cup of water and mix. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. In a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To that, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 6 to 8 curry leaves, half inch of ginger grated, 2 chopped green chillies, and half teaspoon of hing. Saute for a minute. Add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute till the onions are golden brown. Next, add salt as per taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Add 4 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix everything well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Our batata vada stuffing is ready. Turn off the heat. Take a small portion of the masala and make a ball. Flatten it a little. Prepare all the tikkis like this. Idli batter is well rested and thickened now. Add 1/4 cup of water to reach the idli batter consistency. This has the perfect consistency now. Add 1 packet of Eno and 1 teaspoon of water. You can use baking soda instead. Gently mix the Eno. Frothy batter is formed. Take an idli plate and grease it with oil. Add 1 tablespoon of the idli batter in each mold. Place the prepared aloo tikkis on top of each and press a little. Place batter on top to cover the tikki. Do not overfill the molds. These are ready to be steamed. Place the idli plates in hot idli steamer. Cover the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our idlis are perfectly steamed now. Cool down for 1 to 2 minutes before demolding. Carefully demold using a spoon. See how soft and spongy our idlis are. Sprinkle some red chilli powder on top. This is completely optional. Our idlis have turned out to be super soft. Our instant soft and spongy idlis are ready. The inside masala is delicious. With batata vada stuffing, this idli makes for a perfect snack itself. It doesn't need any sides. These idlis are tasty and filling and super quick and easy to make. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how they turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.